one celebrity and put it on the body of another celebrity. It's time for head swap. Talking about a head swap. Talking about a head swap. First you take a head, then you put another body like a Kanye West head. What's an Natalie Portman's body? That's a head swap. First you get two pictures of some famous people, then you scan the pictures into your computer. When you try to open the file, it crashes your hard drive. So go to the graphics department to see if they can help. And you see the graphic guy, and he's all bummed out. You're like, what's wrong with you? He says, it's the worst day of my life. Well, cheer up, buddy, because it's time to do another head swap. So you're trying to act concerned, even though it's kinda awkward. And you notice a single tear running down his cheek. Tonight is the big office Halloween party. I got two kick-ass alien cowboy costumes, but you need a partner, but no one go with me. He looks you up and down and says you'd be perfect. You politely decline, and then he starts to lose it. You know how much Halloween means to me. It reminds me of my childhood when the world was full of wonder. But sad that you don't do it, I won't help you with this sketch where we take celebrities' heads and put them on different bodies. It's called head swap. So you show up at the bar with the graphics guy. And he says, get back and we're here for the party. He winks at you and says you come to the right place. Then you look around and notice it's full of guys. And they're all really digging your LA cowboy costume. Hey man, are you sure this is the Halloween party? Cause it looks more like a gay action bar. Due to my dyslexia, we got screwed the address. On the prime side, I've already got two free drinks. Well, I like it, well, I'm not either. But it's not like you never thought about it, right? Then I got your laser mask, tattoo on the shoulder. Hey there, Hanson, can I have this badge? You say thank you, but no, we're just about to leave. But before you know, you're both doing the cha-cha. Cowboy, shut your mouth and listen. I've got a plan to get us out of here. Let's keep on dancing till we make it out the front door. Play it cool and nobody will notice that we left the bar to go to work and finish up the bit that we call head swap. So you dance across the floor to the exit sign, and you finally make it out the front door. But on the way out, you dance to a line of tunes, and that's when you realize that you're not getting out that easy. What's the hurry, fellas? The party just started. What the hell? Take it just one drink. Shot, 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 shot. 4 hours later, and you're totally wasted, dancing on the bar with the graphics guy, and the place is really pumping 'cause the boys all know that the alien cowboys are the life of the parties. Then you look at the clock and see it's 6 a.m. Holy crap, we gotta get back to the take celebrity heads and put them on other bodies. I love that bit. It's a really hilarious and lighthearted way to have fun with the stars. Then the graphics guy says he got a confession to make. I lied about the Halloween party, I'm not dyslexic. I just thought it'd be cool to hang out beyond the work environment and test the boundaries of our complicated friendship. But more importantly, I never have to pay for drinks from here. And I learned not to judge based on sexual orientation. People are people and we're all God's creatures. An alien cowboy to teach me that. I love you, man. I love you too. Oh my God, you two, get around. Now that we've solidified our relationship, it's platonic. We can get back to the office and work on funny bits like putting Kanye West in on Natalie Portman's body. It's all